Right, so I hope everyone's doing alright. Just wanted to show you another idea I've just come up with. I've never seen this anywhere. I was just trying to think of an idea and then it just come to me. I'm looking at a couple other similar things, but nothing like this. But kind of a stick at this angle, and then I kind of worked out this part and then this bit. So the way it works is, you've got a piece of string. It's got to be quite thick string and it's got to be quite sturdy, stiff string. Now a metal ring or something on this part would be brilliant. You're not really going to come across nothing like that. So a piece of stiff string, and this bottom stick, the bottom is flat. It's got a slight notch there. This notch, to be honest, was an accident or testing, but it's got a notch at the back. A stick holding up the Deadfall comes down to the notch there, and that's slightly squared off. And what it's doing is, this stick is trying to push this stick backwards. So this one is trying to push this one that way, but what's stopping it is the piece of string. Now the piece of string does also come under and is tied further back to stop it sliding. It wants to go that way. And then once this is stood on, it will disengage the little notch, and then it will all go flying out that way. So you can see just a slight notch, flat bottom, notch at the back, squared off, other end, whatever, doesn't really matter. Sorry if my arm's in the way, but I'm a little bit stuck for space here. I did think at one point about putting a notch here, but it will not release. This bottom piece has to be completely smooth. Now one thing you could do, if you had a couple of nails, and you could stick a nail here and on the other side to keep the string from moving backwards. That would be a good idea as well. You could probably put bait somewhere, but this would be more the kind of one where they come in passing through, or you've managed to kind of get them to stand around in here and stand on it. Right, well, I hope that makes sense. If you're going to make one, just got to kind of just try it different sizes, cut bits here and there. But like I said, I think if this bit had something to keep it in that position rather than coming forward, that might be better. Metal ring or some sort of wooden ring would be ideal for that, but I'll try to think of the simplest way of doing it. Right, anyway, cheers for watching and I'll see you later.